Hello everyone, my name is Marina, and here I am on Moodle. This is the dashboard, and what I want to do now is to update my profile. To do this, I have to go here. Here you see my name is here. So here I go and click on my name to see my profile. Well, this is what I currently have on my profile page. I have my name, the profile picture, a short description, some facts about myself, the country where I live and the city. I have only one badge. These are the course details, and well, that seems to be it. So now I want to edit it and to add some information and maybe to delete some information. To do this, I click on Edit Profile, and here is all the information that can be edited. I can edit, for example, email address. I can edit the email display. Yes, for example, if I don't want anybody to see my email address, I can hide it from everyone. Or I can only allow other course members to see my email address. Well, I prefer to allow everyone to see my email address. My home city is Moscow, I'm not changing it, and the country is Russian Federation, while the time zone set is Moscow. Here is the description, and for example, let's add something to the description. I will add here that, for example, here I say that I name the languages that I speak, and I would add something like I also want to learn, let's say, Spanish and Italian. I leave it here, and then here is my current picture. For example, if I want to replace this picture, I have to upload a new one by clicking here. I choose a file from my computer. There are lots of files here. I have to find the right one. Here it is. I click upload this file. Well, here it is. Well, actually it's the same, but and to save all the changes, I need to click on upload profile. Well, and here you can see that the changes have been saved. This is the phrase I added. Well, the picture has not changed. And voila, this is how you add information to your profile and edit it if necessary. Thank you.